Hello guys, you're welcome back. So today I will be making an Afro kinky frontal wig. I joined the lace frontal to the wig cap off camera. Then after that I have to bend the kinky into the frontal like so. I was doing it step by step like so, and after that the next thing I did was the next step was to crochet the Afro kinky into the wig cap. And guys, this requires patience. Like, you really have to be patient to take it step by step. And guys, at the end of this, you will really enjoy the outcome. So guys, keep watching.
Rhythm is a dancer. That's a rumor on the block. But you can make me dance, babe, like no other I have found. Rolling through the hills at night, tell me I'm the one. Stage is set with moon and sky, and we are all the stars. Ooh, you make me, you make me, ooh. You make me, you make me, ooh. You do make me feel like Hollywood. Ooh, you make me, ooh.
So guys, this is the final stage of the ventilation, where the frontal, I have to take my time to ventilate the front so that it will look sweet as I want it. Then guys, after this stage, then I started crocheting the back, as you can see in this video. Keep watching guys.
Sometimes I have fallen, but you call it shooting star. Rolling through the hills at night, tell me I'm the one. Stage is set with moon and sky, and we are all the stars. Ooh, you make me, ooh. You make me, ooh. You do make me feel like Hollywood. Ooh, you make me, ooh. You make me, ooh. You do make me feel like Hollywood. Hollywood, Hollywood, Hollywood. Night, tell me I'm the one. Stage is set with moon and sky, and we are all the stars. Ooh, you make me, ooh. You make me, ooh. You do make me feel like Hollywood. Ooh, you make me, ooh. You make me, ooh. You do make me feel like Hollywood.
Finally, the hair is ready, and I have to use my hand to pull the hair up so that I can trim off the flies. Then guys, after that, look at the inside of the hair. It's looking so clean and neat, like you hardly know that it's homemade. So guys, after trimming the hair a little, so guys, this is me wearing the hair. Oh my god, and the hair is giving all the givables. In fact, the hair is giving 10 over 10 guys. The hair is so lovely and neat. So guys, after this video, I'm going to show you guys when I will stylate the hair and the other process that is involved guys. So guys, if you have watched up to this extent, please, I want you to click on the like button, click on subscribe and follow button guys. You will not regret it. For more content like this, I believe that you will not regret following us on this page. So guys, this is basically how I went through the process of doing this beautiful Afro kinky. So guys, it's a lovely thing to have you in here. Thank you so much for always being there. I love you.